Welcome back, and let's revisit our top stories. A day after High Court Judge Jairus Ngaah suspended the revocation of Nairobi gubernatorial candidate Senator Johnson Sakaja's university degree, a petitioner has moved to the same court questioning whether or not Justice Ngaah actually attended the Wednesday night hearing and issued the stay orders. Now, according to Dennis Wahome, who challenged Sakaja's academic qualifications before the IEBC disputes tribunal, court records show that Justice Ngaah was supposed to be away from the 15th to the 18th this month on other official duties, and thus it was not possible for the judge to sit and issue the orders that led to the expulsion from the IEBC committee, the letter from Commission for University Education that had revoked recognition of Sakaja's certificate from Teams University. And as David Muthoka reports, Wahome is seeking the High Court's confirmation that indeed such orders were made.
Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja's City Hall bid could run into further headwinds after a petitioner on Thursday moved to the High Court questioning the validity of the temporary suspension of Senator Sakaja's degree certificate revocation by the Commission for University Education. According to Dennis Wahome, who has also challenged Senator Sakaja's academic qualifications before the IEBC Dispute Resolution Committee, it is not possible that a judge who, according to the court records, was supposed to be away on other official duties issued the stay orders that led to the expulsion of the letter from the Commission for University Education. In the latest case filed against Senator Sakaja, Wahome says that according to the High Court course list, Justice Jairus Ngaah, who granted Sakaja reprieve, albeit temporarily, on Wednesday, 15th June 2022, 9:03 p.m., would not be sitting between 15th and 18th June, as he would be engaged in other official duties. According to Wahome, the notice further states that all matters coming up during that period are to be rescheduled, saying it is not possible for the judge to be at two places at the same time. Wahome has now sought the High Court's confirmation as to whether Justice Ngaah actually sat and ruled that Sakaja's degree revocation be suspended pending hearing and determination of a case in which Sakaja has challenged the revocation. In the ruling, Judge Ngaah further prohibited IEBC from striking Sakaja from its list of candidates cleared for the Nairobi gubernatorial race. The letter from Wahome's lawyers is stamped as received by the courts. David Muthoka, KTN News, Nairobi.
Chief Inspector of Police Maxwell Otieno has told a court in Nairobi that Joseph Irungu alias Joey and